Why do so many people believe cracking your knuckles leads to arthritis? Let's break it down. We've all heard it, stop cracking your knuckles or you'll get arthritis. But is there any truth to that? First off, what actually happens when you crack your knuckles? It's all about gas bubbles. Yep, tiny bubbles popping in the fluid of your joints. Studies show that cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. In fact, one doctor even cracked his knuckles on one hand for 60 years. Guess what? No arthritis. So where did this myth come from? Probably from the sound itself. It can be pretty unsettling, right? Now, while it's not harmful, it can annoy people around you. So maybe don't overdo it at the family dinner. So crack away without fear, but maybe with a bit of courtesy. Like and follow for more insight videos.